Welcome to watch today's Fresham. Anything Anya Moryoussef Architect touches feels like an optical illusion, or, at the very least, becomes one over time. Blind Dormer House, a 1920s home in Toronto's Wychwood neighbourhood, rejuvenated a few years ago, is a compelling case in point. While preserving its pre-war identity, in both profile and materiality, the designer subtly reconfigures the interior, turning the home away from the street and toward a view that had been hiding in plain sight all along, a grand, century-old oak tree. In renovating the heritage structure, practice principal Anya Moryoussef introduced additions so deftly integrated that it's difficult to discern where, or even whether, the old meets the new. A contemporary home was inserted between the original gable ends, forming a 2.5-story volume with a mirror image roofline that blends effortlessly into the streetscape. As Moryoussef puts it, it's reinvented by a brush with surrealism.